Hey everyone, welcome back to USA Cars Experts, the place where real car enthusiasts come to see the latest innovations, reviews, and deep dives into the world of automobiles. If you love cars as much as we do, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss our upcoming reviews. Today, we're talking about a name that carries decades of power, reliability, and adventure, the Jeep Pajero 2026. Yes, it's back, and this time, it's more advanced, more powerful, and more luxurious than ever before. The 2026 Pajero is redefining what it means to be a true off-road SUV, blending rugged performance with premium design and cutting-edge technology. Let's start with the exterior. The new Pajero 2026 looks absolutely stunning. The body has been completely redesigned with a bolder front grille, sleeker LED headlights, and a more aerodynamic profile that still holds that signature muscular Jeep presence. The pure black color addition gives it a bold, commanding look that stands out whether you're in a luxury showroom or driving through mountain trails. The 20-inch alloy wheels and sculpted side panels add a sporty edge, while the chrome detailing brings in that touch of luxury. Moving to the interior, the cabin is pure comfort and sophistication. Jeep has clearly focused on the driver's experience. The dashboard features a large, fully digital instrument cluster and a high-resolution infotainment system that supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The seats are crafted from premium black leather with detailed stitching, and ambient lighting sets the mood for both city drives and long road trips. It's spacious, elegant, and loaded with technology that makes every journey feel first class. Under the hood, the 2026 Pajero doesn't disappoint. It's powered by a new hybrid-assisted turbo engine that delivers both strength and efficiency. The all-wheel drive system, advanced suspension, and terrain management technology mean this SUV can conquer anything you throw at it, from smooth highways to rocky mountain paths. It's not just about brute power, it's about intelligent performance. Safety has also been taken to the next level. The Pajero 2026 comes with adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot detection, and a 360-degree camera system that ensures you're always aware of your surroundings. Jeep's commitment to safety and reliability shines through every feature in this vehicle. In summary, the Jeep Pajero 2026 is more than an SUV, it's a statement of style, strength, and smart innovation. Whether you're an off-road explorer or a city driver who values luxury and comfort, this car delivers on every level. Thanks for watching USA Cars Experts. If you enjoyed this review, give us a like, share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more in-depth car reviews and auto news. Until next time, drive safe and stay passionate about cars.